Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description. To replace the motor in your Dyson V15 vacuum, you'll need a few essential tools: a Phillips screwdriver, a flathead screwdriver, a T8 Torx screwdriver, and some soft cloths for cleaning. Let's get started. First, ensure that your vacuum is unplugged. Safety is paramount. Begin by removing the dustbin. Press the release button and pull it away from the main body. This will give you access to the motor compartment. Next, use your Phillips screwdriver to remove the screws located on the base of the vacuum. There are typically 4 screws that need to be taken out. Keep them in a safe place, as we will need them later. Once the screws are removed, gently lift the base cover off. You may need to use a flathead screwdriver to pry it open carefully. Take your time to avoid damaging the plastic clips. Now, you'll see the motor assembly. Before proceeding, it's a good idea to clean any dust or debris inside the compartment. Use a soft cloth to wipe down the area, ensuring no dirt interferes with the new motor's performance. To disconnect the motor, locate the wiring harness. Gently pull the connector away from the motor. Be careful not to tug too hard to avoid damaging the wires. Now, using your T8 Torx screwdriver, remove the screws securing the motor in place. There are usually 2 or 3 screws holding the motor. Once these are removed, carefully lift the motor out of the compartment. Before installing the new motor, it's essential to check for any signs of damage in the area where the motor sits. If everything looks good, you can proceed to install the new motor. Place the new motor into the compartment, ensuring that it fits snugly. Secure it in place using the T8 screws you removed earlier. Make sure each screw is tightened adequately to avoid any vibrations during operation. Reconnect the wiring harness by pushing it back into place until it clicks. This step is crucial, as a loose connection can prevent the motor from functioning properly. Now, it's time to reassemble the vacuum. Carefully place the base cover back onto the vacuum, ensuring all clips are secured. Replace the screws using your Phillips screwdriver, tightening them until they're snug. Before you finish, remember, if you're not comfortable performing these steps or lack the necessary tools, we offer professional diagnosis without obligation. You can also take advantage of our pickup and delivery at your home. No calls, no travel, just a simple, convenient service. Once the screws are in place, reattach the dustbin by sliding it back into position until it clicks. Plug your Dyson V15 back in and give it a test run. Check for any unusual sounds or issues. If everything works smoothly, congratulations! You've successfully replaced the motor in your Dyson V15. If you encounter any problems, remember that we provide a quote before repair to ensure you're informed about any potential costs. Enjoy your revitalized vacuum cleaner. Need a repair? We offer a free diagnostic. We pick up and deliver right to your door, no calls, no hassle. We send you an estimate before fixing anything, and only proceed if you approve it. Convenient, transparent, and professional. Link in bio/description.